हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज फिर हम एक क्वेश्चन को दोबारा स्टडी कर रहे हैं इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन की सीरीज़ में। MPC 01 चैप्टर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। द क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट आर द बेसिक की फैक्टर और की इश्यूज ड्यूरिंग द स्टडी ऑफ cognitive psychology. Let's start. Firstly, we understand what are the issues. Issues means which obstacles you every time get during the study of cognitive psychology, or we can say the basic misunderstanding, because both here is two condition you get all the time. For simplification, just I start with nature versus nurture. You every time you get a simple question about the nature versus nurture. It is the most important topic during the study and exam time, and it you are getting maximum time in 6 or 10 number marks. Now start with the issues. Number 1, nature versus nurture. Achha. This issue states that what you think or what you favor, which side. Either you favor the nature side or either you favor the nurture side. Your information is depend on both side. If the condition is you think that a innate characteristic is more important for a humankind, then your whole study goes to the direction of natural state. And if the conditions you think the outside condition which make a personality or an environment for a person, which due to this he respond to the every situation, but you can't say which one is right or which one is wrong. So that we can say that it is a key issue you get all the time. The second one is rationalization and empiricalism. What is the meaning of rationalization and empiricalism? What you think and make a theory, or we can say that if you know something and which helps you to make a theory, it is called rationalization. मीन्स तर्क शक्ति के ज़रिए आपको जो तर्क आता है वो तर्क आता है आपको जो नॉलेज होती है उसके बेस पे. और द कंडीशन सेकंड वन इज़ एम्पिरिकल. मीन्स फर्स्टली यू check the situation or you observe the situation and that defines a theory, but you can't say that which one is right. You can get in cognitive psychology or during psychology every time this is a contradict situation, which theory is right or which theory is wrong, you can't say. The third one is domain generality versus domain speciality. What is the meaning of domain generality versus domain speciality? Last question we discussed the basic domains of cognitive psychology. Now the generality versus speciality. A single domain justify more domains or one or two domains support to elaborate or define one domain. This is called generality versus speciality. You can't say in every time or in every theory that which one a single domain favor more thing or one or two domain favor one thing. It is always a contradict situation you get every time during the study. The fourth one is validity of inferences versus ecological conditions. When you study the experimental research during the study time, you get experimental studies are those which are studied during a controlled situation. All things are controlled in a laboratory situation and the theory is generalized, but you can't say that it is applicable to the natural conditions, because एक पर्सन जो नेचुरल कंडीशन में, क्योंकि हर टाइम एक आदमी नेचुरल कंडीशन में जो बिहेव करता है वो कंट्रोल कंडीशन में जो बिहेव करेगा वो डिफरेंट होगा. सो वी कैन से दैट अ थ्योरी विच इज़ formed during the natural condition is more good or more valuable. No, we can't say that, because this is also the contradict situation. If you get a theory during the natural condition, it is not applicable to the experimental study time, because the controlled environment situation is different and the situation during the natural condition time is different. So that it is always a contradict situation you get during the study of cognitive psychology. And the fifth one is applied versus basic research. What you know that and make support to what you know that and which helps to make a theory. And firstly you applied the test on the subjects and make a theory. Which one you prefer? And what you say that which one is right, it is also contradict situation. हम क्या जानते हैं और उससे हम जो थ्योरी इस्टेब्लिश करते हैं, या फिर पहले हम कोई रिसर्च कर लें फिर उसके बाद थ्योरी डेवलप करें, इसे हम कहेंगे अप्लाइड वर्सेस बेसिक रिसर्च. द बायोलॉजिकल कंडीशन एंड बिहेवियरिज्म सिचुएशन, इट इज़ सेम एज नेचर एंड नर्चर थ्योरी. Which one you focus for the study during the cognitive psychology? A behavior of person is more valuable than a innate characteristic of a person. You can't say that which one is more important, because both are related to each other. A person behave in a situation because this situation is for him, but the internal situation drive him to do that in this situation. So we can't say that this is who is right, who is wrong. This is the total key factor issues we are study during this question. दोस्तों बताइए कैसा लगा आज का आपका क्वेश्चन. प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर आवर चैनल.